I told you about using these filthy things before. There are better ways to improve your thoracic extension. Thoracic rotation is one of the secrets to do that. So that is an okay exercise. It's going to help things a little bit. But if you find all the time when you're on the roller, your back sounds like bubble wrap and you're going boop, 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 every time, you've got to start working on these exercises. So what Jenny's going to demonstrate here is a zenith rotation. She's setting her hips back to lock her lower back into place. She's going to lift her arm up and she's going to then rotate up as high as she can get. We'll make Jenny hold off a little bit, not as high as she can get, as high as a normal person can get. So about here, and then what you do there is you take a deep breath in, and then as you breathe out, you start to go further. So this is going to help you to expand the range a little bit more. And then take another deep breath in, breathe out, pull further, another deep breath in, breathe out, go further, and then repeat that on the other side as well. So 3 deep breaths, and you're trying to rotate each time a little touch further. So when you do one side at a time, you're able to get further around than you are when you just try and go straight for the extension. Then after that, if you want, you can bring the roller back in, but this is more important to do. This is what's going to give you a more lasting stick. Next from that, you need some kind of exercise that's going to integrate your thoracic extension. So for most people, you're generally trying to improve a squat whenever you're trying to improve your thoracic extension, your overhead position. So this is a really nice way to do that. So we're going to use something that's called a kickstand squat. So Jenny has replaced where her heel is on one side with the ball of her foot, the heel's up on that side, and she's going to squat down into this leg. This is going to help her to keep her chest a little more upright. Then from there, she can start to try and extend more through her thoracic spine and try and get the arms up nice and straight. So if you're someone that, if Jenny comes up, they'll be quite hunched over when they squat and their upper back rounds on them and they're like that, this is a nice position you can start to work on in order to try and improve that. So you're trying to really open up through the thoracic spine. So I would turn this into about a circuit. So you would do 3 breaths each side. And then do this, you can go for 10 reps up and down, pause in the bottom for about 5 to 10 seconds and really try and open up your thoracic. And as Jenny's doing there, she's even doing those little bit of rotations there in this bottom position. It's really nice. Then go back to your zeniths, come back to this so that you're opening things up and then integrating it into a strength movement. It's really going to help your thoracic spine. It's really going to help to open things up and actually make them stick as well. So if you find if you're always using the roller all the time, you find that things just revert back to the way they are very quickly and you'll actually start to crave the foam roller. So you want to try and get away from that. Use strength exercises, rotational exercises, and you're going to find things stick a lot better. Okay, guys?